So today we're going to be replacing my cracked OEM taillights. I'm going to keep the center garnish. I do have plans of fixing that little hole there, but that's really not my concern at the moment. What I ended up doing is just buying some blacked out eBay Altezza taillights that I plan on getting painted with VHT red nightshade. I'm a little impatient, and I already kind of opened the box just to see what it looks like. These are the new taillights. I wanted the Type X taillights. These are cheap. Actually, these are free because I got them for Christmas. So my plan is to paint them with nightshade. Sorry about that. And we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, excuse the lighting, but these are the taillights. Taped them up and hit them with some red nightshade. It's a little dark, but we'll see what it comes out like. So this is them after third coat. I think I'm gonna do 2 more coats. I'm moving them in the garage once I'm done painting. Let you guys see what they actually look like. I've also since decided that I can't use my old garnish, so I decided to make this one look like a Type X. So it's a couple days later, but I figured I'd show you guys what I did. So I ended up just putting some tape where the reverse lights are, just to make it even look more like a Type X. I will try to post a picture of what it used to look like, just so you guys get a reference. Now again, these were the eBay taillights that I picked up for, I believe, like 79 bucks. You just need a little bit of paint and a little bit of VHT and you're good to go. This is the paint that I used. I went to O'Reilly's, I believe. It was like 13 bucks for the can. Pretty simple stuff. Here's the final product.